once my skin clears up and I lose 20 pounds, shave my legs, and learn how to properly do my eyebrows, and get a whole new wardrobe, comb my hair, and become mentally stable, it's going to be over for all of you.
Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. So we're going to do like a whole, try to do a 360. So, boom, boom. Let's see. I hope I... Alright. So yeah, this is how it looks from the back to the front and on the other side. And so yeah, so now I'm gonna like fix it. I think I want to wick my hair. That's what I think I want to do. So I think I'm gonna wick it first. I'm still put the dreads in, but I just feel like wicking it because I don't feel like sectioning small parts to make the dreads. I don't feel like, I just don't want to. It's been 2 days and I haven't started on my hair, and I don't want to for real. So I'm gonna just like wick it. I'm gonna make some wicks and let's see how that goes. So this is how I parted, and this is how I conceal. Watch out. This is how the back looks.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second